What's up, guys? It's your favorite math teacher here, and today we're talking about adding and subtracting polynomials. And so adding and subtracting polynomials is basically just fancy combined like terms, which you've done since 6th grade. So numbers go with numbers, x's go with x's, y's go with y's. Just make sure when you combine things, either it needs to be a number or no variable, those go together. The same variables go together, but you need to make sure that when you combine variables, they also have the same exponent. If they have a different exponent, you cannot combine them. So for this first problem, right, I have a 6x here, but this 4, that's an x squared. So that's different, they're not the same. And then I have my regular numbers, which is 9, and -7. Again, look at the symbols in front of it. So I'm just going to do my x squared first, since x squared is kind of my largest one. So I have 4x squared plus 6x, since there's no other x, and then all I'm really doing is 9 minus 7, because it's 9 plus -7, which is +2, and that's my answer right there. Again, simple, straightforward, just combine like terms. Really, the only trick is when you're doing subtraction, because you need to be mindful of your double negatives. So first, I'm going to start with my x squareds. I have 8x squared minus -1x squared. So when you subtract a negative, you're really adding. So that says 8x squared plus x squared, making a total of 9x squared. Now, let's move on to our x's. I have -4 minus -2. Again, when you subtract a negative, you are adding. So it says -4 plus 2, which is -2. So I have -2x. Lastly, I have my regular values, my constants. That says -3 minus +5. So -3 minus 5 is -8. So this is -8, and that's my final answer. So again, just watch out for those negatives, and all you're doing is combining like terms.